How to save music from YouTube to your files. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application and at the top search bar type in youtube.com. Get logged into your YouTube account and click onto your initial. Here click on YouTube Studio. And right at this page, scroll below until you see Audio. You'll see Audio Library, click onto it. Now at this page, these are all the audios that you can download. If you'd like to download any of these audio, just click on to download, or you can also search for music across your channel. Now once you click on to download, it will automatically be on your file explorer. Also be noted, this is only legal way to download music directly from YouTube to your file explorer or your device. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.